basic but super important parts of English grammar: nouns, verbs, and adjectives. First up, nouns. Nouns are the names of people, places, or things. For example, cat, school, happiness. Easy, right? Next, we have verbs. Verbs are action words like run, eat, or think. They tell us what the subject is doing. Finally, adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns and give us more detail. Words like happy, blue, and tall are adjectives. So instead of just saying cat, you could say happy cat. Here's a quick sentence. The happy cat runs. Cat is the noun, runs is the verb, and happy is the adjective. See how they fit together? Keep practicing these basics and you'll be on your way to mastering English grammar in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Catch you next time.